to the channel, and today we have the Dyno Challenge put on by Muscle Mustangs and Fast Forwards, the battle at the beach. Got some absolutely sick cars here today. Even got my buddy Mark Houlihan right there doing work. So today, they're just basically putting cars on the dyno, competing against each other, and just seeing who can lay down the numbers. So what we're gonna do right now is go over and check out all the cars that are in the challenge, just kind of go from there. So let's roll. Okay guys, so finally after what, like 3 years, I finally get to meet my bro Brian Prince with the Coyote Swap 4i. And we're on a nitrous tune, right?
Nitrous tune.
We're gonna kill it today. Let's see what she does. So Brian's car will be up on the dyno shortly. I'm gonna have that, and all right, so what is it gonna make?
450.
450, how much? Nitrous?
Spray 150 on it.
That's right. You're supposed to say all of it.
It'll make what it makes today. It's been a long night.
Hell yeah. All right guys, we'll have him on the dyno shortly. Stay tuned. Maybe if he's on Foxcast. guys, so we are loving it out here at the Dyno Challenge. Ken actually showed up.
Yes, I did. A little
He's
late.
been sleeping
as
all
always.
day. All day.
I didn't get much sleep. Editing video. Go check out the channel. You'll see it on there.
Excuses. But it is a packed house here today for the Dyno Challenge. Like, everybody absolutely loving it today. So we are hot, we are sweaty, but we don't care because it's Mustang week and this is how we roll. And there's just freaking ridiculous cars everywhere. Awesome day.
We had it fully cranked. The highest we saw was 926.
How much is the Mustang?
That was 20 pounds.
So 20 pounds, we've seen it at what,
926.
926 at 20 pounds.
I like Camaros.
Yeah, we had to change the pulley because we kept eating pound steering pumps. So we had to adjust the pulley, so. Sweet.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be 780 too.
Yeah, good. Good stuff.
What time?
Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up the Dyno Challenge today, put on by Muscle Mustangs and Fast Forward. Super cool event. Got to see a lot of badass cars and just good fun all the way around. Keep it tuned right here because I will have open track event coverage coming up shortly. So just stay tuned to the channel all week long. I'm gonna have Mustang event coverage, Mustang week event coverage, and it's gonna be absolutely awesome. So give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and keep it tuned right here.